Hello guys, hope you guys are well. Thank you for joining me again for another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the new Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powders. So I just wanted to come here and do a review for you guys, for those who are interested to buy this and you are looking for an advice, thought on how the product work. Yeah, in the PRO packaging looks like instruction on how to use the product at the back, and when you open it, it looks like this. I like the fact that this is a shade, that they came out with a shade of loose powder for every skin tone. This is really nice. I'm quite impressed by this because every shade range have their own color, because you see some dark skin girls that can't find their right shade to highlight mostly when they are trying to set their highlighting. So I think I like the fact that they can try and think of adding more shade. It's not just foundation, even setting powder, loose powder, like they need to improve on their shade. So I like the fact that this is 8 shades. That's what I'm trying to say, that there are more shades than banana. You don't just stop in banana. And it comes with a brush. The PRO package comes with a brush. Even if you want to buy the brush, you can buy the brush in store. So I'll just go through the shades that they have for you. So this is the first shade. It's pretty white, so this is for a light skinned girl. And I like the packaging. It has this cover right here to protect the powder. The packaging is really nice. Yeah, black top. I'll be leaving the name on the video just to save time. And you have the third shade, the fourth shade, and this, it comes with a scent. Yeah, it comes with a perfumey scent, so if you don't like scents in your makeup, you might not like this shade. For dark skin, the shade that dark skin can use. It looks like the banana powder we all know. You have this shade right here, FUNAFA. This is the shade that I use. This reminds me of Sasha. I have my Sasha right here. You can see even Sasha is a bit more yellow. Can you see that? If you want me to come do like a comparison video between the Sasha and the Huda Beauty, let me know. Compare this shade with the Beauty Bakery yellow powder. They are pretty similar. So if you want a comparison on this two, also let me know at the comment section. I'll come do a video for you. The shade is this shade right here. This is for my chocolate girls. Yes. Then you have the last dark shade, the last shade, which is Coffee Cake. Yeah, this is really deep. My chocolate sisters. Skin, if you're darker than I am, like 12 times darker than I am, you can definitely use this color. Yeah, like everybody have their own powder in this collection. So I'm going to stop talking too much. I'm just going to start up with the video, and I'm also going to use the brush. This is very, so if I just here for the powder review, you can just skip the video to the powder, but I want to show you the products I'm going to use so that we can see how this powder will work with the product. Okay, the Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation in 410. Looking light on my skin, you'll see that is. I'm going to highlight using the Revolution concealer in 12.5. Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa. You can see I don't want to drop the powder. I like the packaging. Just dip your sponge in there. Can you see that? The powder is really fine and very soft on the face. You don't need this much powder. I'm just putting excess. So I'm just going to leave that to bake. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 450. I'm going to use this to contour my face. The Fenty Beauty foundation dry really fast, so you have to be very quick. Powder, the excess on the sponge. I think I will use the darker shade to set the contouring in place. The loose powder, I'll use the darker shade. So I'll take the sponge again, the powder. This is really crazy. That shade is really nice. Mostly if you are someone that is really dark, you can actually see a powder to set your face. We'll take the brush. I'm going to use this to blend. That is really disappearing really well. That shade is beautiful. I don't even need to bronze my face. I don't even need anything else. Just having a little bit of doubt in my mind. So I want to dust off this one on the side of my face. So for my brows, I'm using this brow product by Kat Von D. My favorite part in this pencil is this fully. I don't know why. I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Mascara. I'm just going to do a quick eyeshadow because that is not why we are here. Take any excess powder remaining on the sponge. I'll use this to set that in place. So for eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to use the Huda Beauty Remaster palette. I've done review of this palette. I'm going to link it at the top of this video and at the description bar. Just blend that. Take the shade right here. I'll go back with the first shade. I'll just use that to blend. Black liner by Miss Potty. The baking powder is still baking. You can see it's fading on its own. I bake for a long time. So for my waterline, I'm going to take this pencil by MUA in the shade Royal Blue. You can find this at Superdrug. That blue is beautiful. The Huda Beauty lashes. Now we're done with the eyes. Yeah, very simple, pretty neutral, nothing too fancy. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty brush, which is the brush to dust off the powder underneath my eyes, the rest of my face, to see if the powder will just disappear, you know. That is beautiful. That shade is beautiful. like I said before, doesn't know of the powder, it has already started fading away, which is really nice. That means it's soaking into the skin on its own. I actually like the way it looks and the way it feels on the face. Now I'm going to spray my face to remove all the powder effects, everything. Like, you need to drain your face. Yeah, drain your face. I'm going to use the Marabodescu facial spray. You can use any makeup spray you have, any spray that is with you. I've drained my face with this, and if I come closer to you, you can see everything is looking like one. You understand? Everything is blending together. For my lip, I'll use MAC Chestnut to line my lip. This is Huda Beauty lipstick in Girlfriend. I like this shade. Huda Beauty highlighter, highlighting palette. Shade right here. I'm going to use that as a blush. I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Use the Urban Decay or Nighter setting spray. Then I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. Okay guys, I guess this is the final look. The powder is looking really nice. My face look really flawless. What do you guys think? I don't know. Let me know what you think, because in my mind I look cute. Let me talk about the powder. This powder look really nice on the face, and I like the shade I use in contouring, which is really strange, guys. I use a loose powder to set my contouring, and it looks beautiful. If I can find a shade to contour, like not contour, to use in setting my contouring, that means there's a shade for everyone in this collection. It's loose powder, like 8 loose powder, and this product is available at Selfridges and Harrods. For me, I really like this powder because it blends really well. It looks really flawless on the skin. So like I said, if you want me to come review, like do a comparison video with the powder and Sasha Buttercup and Beauty Bakery powder, that let me know at the comment section. I'll do a comparison video for you guys. You understand? So if you have been meaning to, like, using your mind to try out this powder, I'll tell you to give it a go. It's really good, and there's shade for everyone. So I'm going to take a picture with my flash and see if we have flashback. So we have my iPhone, guys. There's no flashback. And that's all I have to say, guys. The powder is really good. I don't have any problem with it. It looks flawless. A lot of shades for everyone. So if you're interested in the Huda Beauty loose powder, the Huda Beauty Easy Bake loose powder, I'll leave it, the link at the description bar, the US and the UK link at the description bar if you're interested, guys. So thank you for watching this review. Let me know what you think. If the price is okay, if the price is too high, you know it's Huda Beauty, it's expensive, guys. Yeah. So let me know at the comment section what you think about this powder, your thoughts on the powder, if you are going to buy it. If you already have it, let me know at the comment section if you like it. You know, let's just about this, okay? So guys, that is all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.